Hello guys, good morning. Kakain po tayo ngayon ng breakfast. Ito po ay ang aking zucchini pancake. Ngayon mag-i-invent po tayo ng ibang style. Meron po akong video ng zucchini pancake. You can visit my YouTube. So I'm going to put mango. Instead jam or honey, mango ang ilalagay ko. Then, we're going to roll it. So, ako lang ang kakain nito guys ha. Kaya okay lang hawakan ko ng kamay. Yan. And then, we're going to cut. We're going to try the taste. So, this is it. So, this is the mango, zucchini mango pancake. Yan. So, try nyo guys, gawin ganito. So, masarap yan. Enjoy!